Shut the fuck up, nigga. Who is this fool right here?
Tu papi, homie.
My papi fool.
Go back to Facebook,
mommy
dog.
right here, dog.
Go back to Facebook.
Hey Jeremy, say what's up.
What's up? Is that the new iPod?
Yeah.
That's just hard.
What you think about it, dog?
What's it called?
The iPod Nano.
Yeah, but how much does it cost?
I don't know, it's his.
It's yours? How much you get it for?
Pimping it, huh? What you doing here, bro? What you doing? Explain.
Oh, has
clear,
a video?
huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Hella clear.
That's hella clean. How much that cost you?
It's like
Check you out, fool. Pimping it. Just doing nothing.
Getting my notes.
Fuck. That shit looks hella clear, dog.
Hey, fool, I want to listen to my music.
Go listen to your fucking
My what?
phone or something.
Oh, you got shit.
Well, that shit's not even stay up. Let's see. Come on.
How's this not gonna work? Crap. You're not even getting anything.
Yeah, fool. It's recording, dog.
Yeah, but
It's recording you and fucking Jeremy. Chavo del Ocho over here. Wanna see how my hair looks? Yeah.
I just recorded you.
Alright, yeah. Fucking dumbass.
make sure your fingers down on the screen.
Gay.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Gay.
I'm gonna put that Jose's haircut.
No, hell no. If that shit looks fucked up, I'm gonna chop it up.
Alright, you can stop it now.
Stop it.
Let me see it.
How do you
Press the middle button.